Hello and welcome to the UI UX design course created by Elijah Hub. This is Module 2, Lesson 2, User Journeys, Mapping the User's Path. Lesson 2, User Journey and Mapping the User's Path. Welcome back to this Lesson 2. In the last lesson, we explored the power of user personas and how they help us understand our target audience. So today we introduce another key tool, user journeys, that will help us map out the specific steps users take when interacting with our product. Now, imagine we are still designing that same mobile food delivery app and we want to understand the user experience for someone like Sarah, our busy young professional persona. Wouldn't it be helpful to visualize the steps she takes to order a healthy and convenient meal through our app? Now, user journeys allow us to do just that. What are user's journey? A user journey maps the steps a user takes to complete a specific task with your product. It considers all the touch points, interactions points they encounter along the way. Think of it like a roadmap that illustrates the user's experience from start to finish. So let's map the Sarah's food delivery app journey. So for the app we are working on, a food delivery app for Sarah, we have four journey. The first one is the starting point. We have the steps, the touch points, and also the end point. So let's start this process one after the other, starting from the starting point. Now, the starting point, we see that Sarah arrives home from work feeling tired and hungry. Remember, we say Sarah is a busy professional who has little or no time to cook. Now, the starting point of how Sarah will get to use our product is she arrives home from work feeling tired and hungry. Now, let's go to the second area, which is the step. Now, in the steps, I've listed some steps right here. Now, the first one is that she opens the food delivery app and logs in if it's required. That is the first thing. And then the second step is that she explores the various restaurants and cuisines available. This might not involve using filters or searching by keywords like healthy or vegetarian. And the third step is that she selects a restaurant that offers healthy options that fit her dietary needs. The fourth step is that she browses the restaurant's menu and adds desired items to her cart. The next step is that she reviews her order, including any special instructions or customizations. The next step is that she chooses a payment method and confirms the order. And then the last step is that she tracks the order's progress in real time within the app. Now, uh, this food delivery mapping step is steps that are possible for Sarah to go through for her to use our app. Now, the first one is that after she arrives home feeling tired and hungry, she can't cook. And then she pick up her phone, then open the app, log in if it's required, explore the restaurant and see what is available. And then after seeing what is available, she orders and then it gets delivered. Now the third aspect of Sarah's journey is touch points. Now, this touch point is the app interface. Touch point means any aspect of the app or product that Sarah could access, interact with. So the touch point are the app interface, login screen, restaurant listings, search filters, menu screen, item selection, buttons, cart overview, checkout process, payment options, order confirmation screen, order tracking feature. So all of these are touch points. It means part of the app that she has access to, that she can navigate. Now, the last one here is the ending point. Now, the end point is Sarah receives a notification that her food has arrived and enjoys a delicious and convenient meal. Now, we see the main reason for all of this is that from the beginning, what Sarah wants is that she wants to order a food and then she wants it to be delivered and she wants to eat and be okay. So that is the essence for her using the app in the first place. And if the app is unable to do this, it means it is not effective and it's not working. So let's continue. So what are the benefits of user journeys? Now, by mapping out user journeys, we gain valuable insights into Sarah's experience. Number one, we gain insight into and we identify pain points. So, is the research function intuitive? Is it easy to navigate the menus and customize orders? User journey help us to identify any potential roadblocks that might slow Sarah down or frustrate her. So the second benefit of user journey is optimize the user flow. Now, by understanding the steps Sarah takes, we can streamline the process and make it more user friendly. So this could involve simply simplifying the search filters or ensuring a smooth checkout experience. Now, the third benefit of user journey is prioritize features. Now, user journey help us to prioritize features based on their importance within the overall experience. Now, for example, the real-time order tracking feature might be a high priority for users like Sarah who value convenience. So, how do we now create user journey? Now, to create user journey, it has some steps. The first thing to note is that there's no one size fits it all approach to creating user journeys. However, here are some general steps to follow. The first step to follow is to define the tags. So what specific tags are you mapping out? In our example, it's ordering food, right? So the second step is identify your user persona. So who is this journey for? Is very important to have a user persona. Understanding Sarah's needs and goals as a busy professional will guide the journey. And the third step is to map the steps. Now break down the tasks into individual steps a user will take to order food. Right. The fourth step is identify touch points. Now consider all the interaction points Sarah encounters within the app. The last one is refine and iterate. User journeys are not static. As you gather user feedback through testing, refine and iterate on your journeys to ensure accuracy. So now let's talk about user journeys that is beyond food delivery. User journeys can be applied to any product or service. Now imagine a customer journey map for a bank's mobile app. This might track a customer's experience from checking their account balance to depositing a check or transferring money. By understanding these touch points, the bank can optimize their app, making it easier for users to manage their finances. Conclusively, user journeys are powerful tool for understanding the user experience. By mapping out user journeys for your target audience and personas, you can identify potential roadblocks, optimize the user flow, and ultimately create a full delivery app that is not only convenient but also a pleasure for use for busy professionals like Sarah. In the next lesson, we dive into the various methods of user research that will equip you to gather the data needed to build these insightful user journeys. So stay tuned. Thank you.